riding. I'm watching Life is Good.
Alright, so right here is a... Now this guy, I think he's broke down. He has the triangles out. But this is what happens when you stop on the shoulder. Now see, his triangles are out. Now, whether he did that, but anyway, the Jeep drove up on the back of the bobtail. I don't know if it wasn't beat up though, so I don't know. Maybe the guy was hauling a Jeep on the bobtail. Who knows, right? But anyway, the Jeep was up on the back of the bobtail. Everybody said he ran up into him, but I didn't see any damage, you know. So I don't know. Anyway, we are over here in Iowa on Interstate 80. We did our unload this morning back there in Cedar Rapids and reloaded about 8 miles south of Cedar Rapids there, and pick a load up going to Nashville for Monday. So we're going to go over here to the world's largest truck stop and hang out for the weekend, because I'll just leave out on Sunday and go to Nashville on Sunday. It's supposed to rain today and tomorrow, so the truck wash line should be really small. So we're gonna get the truck cleaned up because it's not supposed to rain on Sunday. So we'll wash the truck, stay here all day today and tomorrow, and hopefully get our hi-hats for the trailer if they have the ones I need, and eat some good food, relax. That is the plan, Stan. So anyway, anxious to see what the remodel did for the place, because I think they added a bunch on, so I'm curious to see what they added. Go ahead and check it out. Go check it out. Now they got a blue beacon right here by the pilot. I don't know. I think there's a truck wash right behind the TA there in the parking lot. I may probably Highway 80 truck wash. I don't think I've ever used them, but we might give them a shot and see how it goes there. But this is the plan right here. So we're gonna go see how we see what it's like. Now I videoed going into this driveway before, so you guys do not need to see that again. Do not need to see that again. Come on. Is that a Hellcat? Right here's a Hellcat. See it? See it? See the Hellcat? That's what I'm talking about. Let me buy one of those demons, or whatever it is, to give my son a run for his money. The parking lot is almost empty. Holy smokes. It is 1:20 local time and ain't a soul in here. So I like it. Yes, I like it indeed. So I don't know if we'll eat that restaurant there or we'll go right over here to Grandma's Kitchen. We might walk over here to Grandma's Kitchen today. What's his name said their pork chops was really good. So anyway, so yeah, we'll go over and get the truck cleaned up and park it and go look for some hi-hats. Indeed. So alright, we will You know, I've never been to that truck museum. I wonder if it costs to go in there. I sure don't want to pay to go see a bunch of trucks, man. We're standing here in the parking lot looking at trucks for free. Beep, beep. Do they have a truck wash here? I thought they did. That's it right over there, right? Or is that just the shop? Truck wash. Truck wash. I don't think there's anybody in line at all. I hope they do a good job. We are going to find out. Just got to figure out how to find it, you know. I think the entrance is on the other side. I think there's the exit. I think that is the exit. I see y'all have to walk. Well, here we go. Can't see a bloody thing. Can y'all see anything? Well, they got a roller, man. I sure hope they brush this trailer. This trailer needs that roller. Come on. I love it. Did not know they had the rollers here. Well, I didn't show you guys our wash job. As you can tell, it has rained. And so we were going to head out of here at 6 this morning. We woke up and it was coming a major thunderstorm. So the roads are still wet, but we're in between thunderstorms. We gotta get out of here. We gotta go to Nashville, man. So she's just gonna have to get dirty, you know. But at least we got to sit here clean, and people got to see it clean. I met 2 or 3 people while I was here, and subscribers and whatnot. So yeah, so let's get out of here, man. Let's go get it dirty. We got work to do. Can't baby a clean truck. So we'll just have to go sit in Nashville dirty, but that's where we got to go, is Nashville. Should have been there Saturday morning. But anyway, let's get her on the road. Well, it is nice and warm out here today. I don't think I hurt it too bad. So, rain didn't kill us, you know. Just took the armor off the tires. Got a little bit of rain dirt, residual dirt on the chrome, but we're good. Yeah, we still look good going in the road. So let's go. We're in a rest area over here in Illinois on 55. Coalfield rest area. We're gonna go in there and use the restroom and check it out. It's a gorgeous day, man. Absolutely beautiful day. All right, let's go use the bathroom. Get back on the road.
You're watching Idiotic Ramblings with Life is Good. Come on.